Hi, welcome to Geekboots. In this video I am going to create text glowing effect with animation. Let's first write the text in a ULLI. Now make the UL display flex and list style none. And decorate the text inside LI. Then add keyframes animation based on color and text glow. Glow color stay 0 to 5% and dark color stay 20 to 100%. Then add the animation. To show effect on each character of the text, need to add animation delay on every nth child of the LI. After little adjustment, here is the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.